U.S. Army to train at ranges simulating Ukraine's battlefield. New environments will mirror the chaos of modern battlefields, where drones and signal jamming redefine combat dynamics. The initiative signals a shift toward faster, more adaptive military innovation. The U.S. Army plans in the near future to create at least 2 training ranges within the country where the conditions of modern warfare will be replicated with active use of electronic warfare similar to what is observed in Ukraine. This was stated by U.S. Army Secretary Dan Driscoll. According to him, the new sites will allow military personnel and technology developers to work side by side, particularly in the field of counter-drone systems. There, it will be possible to create an environment with elements of electronic warfare and fully simulated combat conditions where drone manufacturers and countermeasure developers will work together. We also want soldiers to be able to train there, improve their skills, and interact with developers. Dan Driscoll noted that there are already places in the U.S. for safe testing, but the creation of an international testing range outside the country is also being considered. More intensive testing is planned there, including trials of hypersonic technologies. Exact locations have not yet been disclosed, restrictions, and the need for new approaches. Some training for U.S. military personnel encountering drones currently does not include the use of electronic signal jamming. This is due to existing restrictions on the use of such technologies within the United States. At the same time, the need to improve training is becoming increasingly urgent against the backdrop of the large-scale use of drones in modern conflicts. Mass drone production as a challenge. During a meeting with defense industry representatives, Dwayne Hayes of the Army's Strategic Threats Office provided data on the pace of drone production in Russia. According to him, between 3,000 and 5,000 Shahed-type attack drones are produced each month, along with about 600,000 smaller FPV drones. In response, Ukraine produces approximately 30,000 interceptor drones per month. Dwayne Hayes emphasized that the United States has traditionally been strong in developing high-tech weapons, but modern warfare also requires cheaper solutions that can be deployed at scale.